So you want to learn how to screen record on your MacBook? Well, let's hop straight into the video. I've broken this down into 4 simple steps. First, open QuickTime Player. To do this, click the search bar. Then, type in QuickTime Player and select the first one. Now if we head to the top of the screen where it says QuickTime Player, then File, click on File. Then, click on New Screen Recording. Now you should see something like this. You'll want to capture your entire screen. And then, hit Record. Then you should see an icon like this. And that's how you'll know your screen is recording. So now, let me show you what it'll look like. I just recorded my page. By the way, this will be the thumbnail for the video that you're currently watching. Now to stop screen recording, let's minimize our tab. Then, click the recording button. Now it should look something like this. Now to see what we just recorded, hit play. And that's how to record your screen. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for staying. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.